today, I cannot open my mask, right?
If you want to
I didn't see anything.
No.
Well, you're not around any of us.
It's very true.
You're 6 feet apart from all of us, and we're outside.
Well, I don't want to be in trouble, but is that my voice okay?
Yeah.
Sorry. Today we got email from, I don't know, just about the mask thing, so I'm just, okay. So in general, our soil order in this area is this one. This one is in general, so this one is kind of horizon A, horizon E, horizon B in general, but it's not always, okay? Because why? Because we have different kind of crops. We have soybean, corn, that forest, woods, and then we have that crazy prairie with maybe a lot of snake over there, or just some kind of wild things over there. So maybe the soil profile is different, okay? So today we will go to each field, okay? We will go to each field, field, and then we compare with the woods area, okay? So we will have soil profile, okay? And you can see here, so you already expert in this one. Oops, I don't like this one. I like the one that like this. This is new, I bought like 3 years ago. Okay, so you do like this, and you do like this, and then you know that. Who did this one before? You, right? No? Anybody? Tyler? Yeah, you learn. Okay. So like this. Make sure it's smooth, okay? And then you will get the soil profile very nice here, okay? When you have that one, you put like this. So each field, there are 10 here because we have 17 people. So just make sure you do the regulation, okay? But I don't have 17 here, okay? However, I have this one enough. Each of you can have this one, and each of you can have this one, okay? Each of you has this one too. Okay. And then if you like to sterilize, or use this one, sure, okay? So you will do this one, and then after you have the profile, use your ruler, this, okay, to determine. You welcome to use your textbook or your Google Google Sheet, that's fine, okay? You decide horizon A, horizon E, horizon B, horizon C, how many centimeter, okay? Like how many centimeter, okay? Like this, see? Your soil profile will be like this. A, for example, and then E, B, C. E is not always there, okay? So make sure the E should be kind of lightest, whitest, okay? If there is no E, that's okay, because we don't know what happened, okay? So after this one, okay, after you decided how many centimeter is, this is number 1. Number 2, okay, you decide what soil color, okay? So before you decided this one, you can Google with your cell phone right now how to determine soil color. Even they have the YouTube, they have the the cheat sheet, okay? This is how the way, okay? I will teach you right now. Okay, so let's see. Anybody have knife? someone help me to take the soil profile here? Somebody would like to help me take the profile somewhere here so I can give you exactly. Yeah. Okay. Take it because it's already okay. This somewhere the one that's soft here. You want here maybe?
Sure.
Okay. Make it perfect. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Until you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay, everyone. So, everyone, this is too short, okay? So usually it's deeper than that until here, okay? So make sure you are like very, very strong, okay? And then when you hit the rock, you stop. Okay, so this one, how the way you take the soil color. For example, look at that here. This one is the darker one, right? So you take the darker one here. This is horizon A, for example. And then maybe this is horizon B. Okay? And then this is E, and then this one SB. Okay? So this is how the way you take the soil color. You have to do the soil color per horizon. So this one is B. So you do like this. And then you go here. You have to check, is that the same or 10YR? I don't know. Okay? So check which one, and then you just do like this. Okay? Okay? After this, then you have to write it down. Who still remember how to write it down, the soil color? Nathan, would you please help me here? You have the strong voice. Strong voice, okay? 10YR 7/3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you please repeat for them, Nathan?
Just what you said.
10YR 7-3.
Okay, because why? Because this, sorry. 6, sorry, 6 is 6. Is 6, sorry. This one, 6. Okay, 6 and then 3 here. Okay, that's how the way you write it down. 10YR 6 3. Okay, 6/3. Okay. Well, but before you start, you have to check it out your Google. Okay. Okay. So this is how the way. So you will have this 1 centimeter and then soil color. Okay, so you have horizon A, how many centimeter? Okay, and then soil color, for example, 10YR 6/3. Okay, this, and then after that we move to another field. For example, we will go to, let's see, maybe we go to Hempfield, Dr. Ferguson field first, and then we will walk there, and then the last one will be that things. Okay, so that is for today. And then whenever you go home, before you go home,
Shit.
That's textbook.
It actually is. There's your A,
Right.
and you're gonna have an E. No.
No, it's like a small E right
It's
there.
I think
Yeah,
right
there
there
is
it's a
an
little
E.
lighter. Right in here, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna have. Alright, I'm gonna push that up
Okay.
a little bit.
B. So it gets a little lighter there.
Well,
Where's it up here, you think?
I would say right there. You can see where that gray is.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Alright. Alright. Let's measure it and I'll hold it.
Okay.
I'll hold it. 0 to 7 centimeters. Wait, no. 1 centimeter. A, 1 to 7. E, 7 to 14. B, 14 to 27. C.
R 4-2. It's way lighter. Yeah. I'd say even.
That's gonna be more yellow.
Yeah.
I would say even.
Yeah. 6.
There.
Yeah, I'd say 6'6".
Or 6'6".
Yeah. And then you're gonna go back 2.
Often I see you.
I thought I got rid of you a long time ago.
Probably, you think I should go to 2 or 3?
We're trying.
Probably
Where we're at.
I'd go in the 3. We're here. I
There.
would say that's pretty close right there.
5-3?
We're on B yet.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to go up
Yeah.
above here. So there maybe.
Hold on. Yeah. Just do 5-3.
Yeah.
And then
Some movement.
the last one's gonna be
I'd say more yellow, like.
I don't think it's that yellow.
This is it's not moving.
You can have ours. We're just about done.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
So
4-4? Or
Yeah.
7-4?
7-4. 10 wires,
We
7-4.
would have been here all day.
Females. This is literally us at Gymkhana, and we'd get like